Hey, Higgs.
Oh, hey.
Look at this. You're gonna need a soda bottle. It's a water bottle, actually, because look at the little lid that pops up. That is the secret. See the lid that pops up? All right.
Yeah.
So we're gonna want that. So in just a second, we're going to put the reaction in here. We're gonna twist this on, and then we're gonna cap it. That popping action is gonna be really important. So you're gonna need that. That's super important, number one. Second part you're gonna need is, well, of course, some trusty Alka-Seltzer. So Alka-Seltzer gets broken up, and about 8 of them in each of the bottles.
Okay.
So we've broken these up already. So these are gonna go into the bottle like this. All right. And see the tennis can? This is really DIY, right? So here's the tennis can that we're gonna use to kind of prop the bottle up and so we can kind of walk away.
All right.
Hot water is here.
Okay.
So we're gonna put the hot water in, then we're gonna put the cap on, so we gotta make sure the cap is ready. We're gonna clamp the cap down.
Okay.
Got it? Then turn it upside down, and you go up there and I'll go up there, and let's just watch them go.
Okay.
All right, ready? Here we go. Hot water. All right, we're gonna fill them about half full with hot water. Good. Oh, this is good. Hey, hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay, good. Now, gotta cap it off. How you doing, Higgs?
Good.
Okay, hold
You got
on.
halfway,
Higgs.
okay.
Good. Higgs, I hope you can cap it off before it goes off. You gotta put the lid on. Ugh. Nice. It's building up pressure. We just don't know when it's gonna go. It's looking good, though. We just took out a camera guy.